Okay, when you pull this stroke, it has to be even quicker. Okay, and then the next note we have to be able to hear. So what's happening is I hear. So it kind of comes this. You want to actually play a quick note. And the first note, give a little. So it's like. Okay, try it again. So just a little dig on your. Okay, just do this for me. Go. Yeah. Good, straight bow. Good. So the other thing that's happening is your bow speed when you start the up bow is the same as on the down bow. You're doing this. You're going, but it's not. It should be fast bow, stop the bow slow. So do this once for me. You're going to play the first note separately. You go, and then you're going to dig it. Now, when you're playing this, just like in our little subject, which you were doing much better with, you have to remember the pitch of this second note each time, because that's the next one you're going to play. All right? So what's happening is as you go up, when you get to here, you're not reaching the C sharp. And here you're not reaching the D. So you got to hear in your head. Okay, so be really clear about what note you're starting on. And then, like I said, if you'll stop on each one of these, it'll really help. So you go. So that is an alternate finger if you want to try it. Okay, you didn't see what I did you? Okay. You can go ahead and play a 3 here, and then do a substitution finger.
You remember a lot of stuff.
This, watch. Watch. Okay, try it. Higher. Play first finger. Higher. Raise higher. There it is. Try again. Now stop. No, stop. Play the 3. Stop. Now this. 1, 2, 4. No, you're going to play a 2. Now 3. What do you think? Okay. So, but when you do that, you have to remember as it goes up, it gets smaller. Your hands kind of stay in the same shape. And so it gets sharper and sharper. Okay, so. Okay, you need to practice it slowly and listen. Okay, really, really carefully, so you get it really, really cleanly articulated and very clean intonation. All right. Same thing on this one. You could even do this, a similar thing. Now, the rule of thumb in shifting. Okay. You shift on a beat, which is what this fingering is. You shift after a short note when there's a hole, which is what my fingering is, which is the alternate fingering. Okay? It actually will work. And it gives you a little bit of kick on that second note too when you do the shift. Try it. If you don't like it, you can go back to the other one, but it must be in tune. Let's try it one more time. Play your D. little cello. Just lean it over here. Okay, you hold this one. Be very careful. Play the A. Aha, that's why you don't like this. Play the A. Play the A. One more time. All right, here we go. So from that's not good. All right, that's not good either. Okay, try it again. So right here, don't play the double stop. Just play the open D. Now stop after two. Play two. Stop. Now no, just stop. Now shift. Now get your extension. Shift. Now stop. Shift. Now stop. Yes, that was nicely in tune. Okay, so if you'll practice it like that, so then once, what we try to do is we try to combine moves, if you will. Okay, so you have to isolate them first, and then you want to recombine them. In this particular instance, if you'll practice it like that to start, so and really listen to the pitches, get your hand set, set the hand, set the hand, and really work on the bowing so you get. And focus on straight bow and all that. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to come back and you're going to add the next note. Okay, so look like this. So you get the quickness of the shift. Then you do it slowly once. That's right. Okay, good. So now let's hear how you're doing on this one. Do you remember the fingering? Good. It starts up. Straight up. Not bad. Okay, you need to get your thumb ready sooner. Okay, so as you come up the string, so you're coming from below. Trying to get it all. So raise your elbow. Higher. Higher C sharp. Higher. There it is. Good. When you cross from fourth position into thumb position, your wrist should not be touching the cello. Okay, do it again. Too high, and it's a 2. No, your wrist was touching the cello. Up. Good, and you were a little sharp. Do it again. Less bow. Up bow. note. Lower. Good. Do it again. Up bow. Okay, start at the beginning of it. Da 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 dee. Okay. Can you not, when you go from first position to fourth position, try not to do a karate chop on the cello. Good. So now I want you to play each group of three. So ba ba bum, ba ba bum, ba ba bum. Faster. Okay. When you do it, I mean, be really precise and make sure the intonation is correct. So, and again, if you leave your fingers down, it will help the intonation. Let's check that. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to play the first note and then play the next three. Get it? Try it. So play the first note, and we'll do it slowly once. So 1, so starting up bow. Now we're going to play the next 3 notes. No. Stop. Out of 10. Okay. One more time. So the point of this is focusing on the 2 shifts that you have to make, okay? So now, let's do it faster and with more rest in between. So first one, first note. Up bow. Now quick. One more time, up bow. This B was out of tune. Did you leave your 4 down? No. Do it again. But you missed it. It's a 1. Good. So the whole point is to take enough time in between the breaks to get to think ahead the next 3 notes. So don't just read them as they come. Load 3 and go. Does that make sense? Let's try it again. You're buffering. Do you know what buffering is? Okay. This is buffering. Okay. So what? Just like watch a movie. It doesn't go. If the buffering doesn't happen far enough ahead of where the movie is, the movie quits. Okay. So you have to plan ahead, and you're going to get the next 3 notes in your head before you play. Here we go. So first note up. Now load the next 3. That was way too slow, dude. Okay, in the middle of the bow on the snow bow. Up bow. Next 3. Next 3. Next 3. Good. Good. So I think in general you're just a little sharp with the A. Okay? And that's what the B and C, B, C sharp, and D are. Try it again. Here we go. Ready? And 1. Good. So you got to work on those last 3. Okay? The rest is coming along nicely. Now we're going to play the first 2 notes and the next 3. So play the first 2. Now load 3.